Hello friends, in last lecture we discussing the Einstein relations. So in this Einstein relations, how can be atoms in absorption, stimulated and emission state and their relationship performing the Einstein using Einstein's. So now today we are going to start new topic, condition for light amplification. So in this topic we discuss the amplification phenomena of light. Let us we can perform the light beam propagating through the material medium. So it can be photons present in lower state. So they may be absorbed and removed from the stream of photons, and that can takes place the loss of and causes the loss of energy. And if the photon is strikes in excited state, so more and more photons can be produced. The excited state atoms and light beam goes to the that of causes the increase of energy. So this can be generated the probabilities of absorption and emission are same state for passing through light beam occur in that simultaneously both the attenuation. So in this manner stimulated and absorption of light processing, that the atoms same manner probabilities can be defined. So these both amplification and attenuation of light generated in simultaneously. So it can be amplifies the more and more atoms in higher level and lower level energy state will be present. So let small n be denoted by the volume of light beam. The light can be travels in the form of medium. So photons absorbed and due to absorption of transition state, and some photons are generated due to the emission of transition process. So it can be take the photons generated by spontaneous and due to spontaneous emission, and photons can be goes to the randomly directions, and this cannot be contribute the light beam propagating through that medium. So photons generated the stimulated emission of process. One photons generated, number of one or two more photons will be generated in multiplication form. So that of emission takes place in that of stimulated emission. So now let us dN by dt represents the loss of photons that beams travels in that elemental volume in that particular medium. So that del x will be denoted by the transitions of area unity. So that we can define the equation of minus dN by dt is equal to B12 P of V N1 minus B12 P of V N2. This define the difference of absorption and stimulated emission, where dN by dt is the rate of loss of energy. B12 is represented the energy in ground state, and in by Einstein's relation. So P of V is energy density, N1 is population in that will be represented in ground state. So in excited state represented the here is a B21 P of V N2. So this represents the population in excited state, and B21 is represented in the Einstein's relation coefficient in that lower state. So it can be represented the emission of transition state. So minus dN by dt is equal to N1 minus N2 P of V B12 is represented the equation first. So the energy density in that light medium will be represented of P of V, where it is an intensity of light. So energy density of light in of that particular medium, beam of light propagate through that of through the material of incident medium. So it will be represented the in the form of I is equal to P of mu, where mu is equal to minus C by mu is the velocity of light in that particular medium. So beam of light will be I is equal to intensity of light, P of V is the energy density in excited state, and mu is equal to minus C by V is the velocity of light of that particular medium. So I is equal to NhV mu is represented the equation third. So it will be the photons number of loss of photons will be causes that minus dN by dl of x upon dx multiplication multiplied by dx by hv mu. So where is a net of loss of the times during the form of dt will be represented. So this will be represented of the net rate of loss of during time of interval dt is defined as minus dN by dt is equal to dl of x upon dx multiplication 1 by h mu. That h mu is h is a Planck's constant, v is a velocity of light, you know. So we get the equation, so we get dx by dt is equal to mu. So from equation 4 we get dn minus dN by dt is equal to plus alpha by x multiplied by 1 by h mu. So sorry, I by h mu. From that equation we get the minus dN by dt alpha of p of v multiplied by 1 by h mu, equation fifth represented. So we get the next from equation first and fifth we get the equation alpha of v of mu h by 1 by h mu hv is equal to n1 minus n2 p of v b12. So alpha of n1 minus n2 in bracket in close b12 h mu hv by mu is represented the equation 6. That conditions will be denoted, you know, n1 n2 is a population inversion, b12 is represented the Einstein coefficients in ground state. So at thermal equilibrium state we defined the energy difference of that populations will be defined as n1 minus n2. So at thermal equilibrium n1 is greater than n2 and alpha is a positive term will be defined. So in n2 is greater than n1 n2 population is greater than n1 population. So that case negative quantity and relative relatively takes place in the form of, we can define it in the form of I is equal to I0 exponential I0 alpha x. So it will be defined as the y is equal to gamma is equal to n2 minus n1 b12 h mu by hv by mu, equation 8. So here I equals to I0 is defined as exponential of alpha x. So it will be defined as gamma will be the positive quantity of population in bracket n2 minus n1 greater than 0. So this will be defined as the condition for light amplification state. So gamma will be positive defined as n2 greater than n1, excited state population greater than in a lower state of population. So these conditions is fulfilled for the population of inversion. So that it can be inversely of the normally situation defined as the population inversion. So that necessary condition can be satisfied. The equation of 8 from population inversion condition satisfied the causing of amplification of incident light. So in this way we can define it as the population and energy density of that particular medium, how can be incident, and defined as the stimulated and absorption of relations. So in this way we can prove the how can be amplification of performing the incident for that incident of light. So